One thing I will say, if you're gonna put a Kirky in your car, make sure you get the seatbelt emulator or whatever the hell it's called, because this beeping is just non-stop, man. Drives me nuts. Go ahead, get some E. Everybody gonna fuel up a little bit. And we're gonna see how it goes from here. Got Mustang and a Camaro Beamer. Yo, watch. He's gonna try to race me. I already know he's gonna try, even though I'm just trying to get him on video. Go, motherfucker! Exactly what I said. Exactly what I said. That Beamer sound crazy. Yeah, one thing I'm gonna tell you, having a Hellcat in the car community is like being the fat kid in class. Everybody gonna try to pick on you all the time. That shit sound crazy. Sounds like a damn jet now. What the hell puts a jet engine on a BMW? Bro, that shit sounds crazy. That shit, you can hear that shit spooling. That shit's crazy, bro. I'm trying to get Misha to pass me so I get him on video, and he's over here like trying to race me. I hate to admit this on camera, but low key, I would definitely get a G80, a G82. That shit sound crazy like that.
shit is wicked fucking.
Your shit's spinning, bro, like crazy.
No, that's no lift shit.
No, that's what it was? I'm trying to get you to go in front of me, and this is you. You're trying to fucking race,
ready,
mother.
ready? I got new man.
here we go. Little action. And a Camaro versus supercharged Mustang. No fucking way. Misha got him. Misha got him. Look like these guys lining up behind me. M340i X-Drive versus full bolt-on Mustang built trans. I reeled him in. I'm gonna give him the hit. I'm gonna give him the hit. He ain't got enough. I gotta change this tune back to my other one. This thing misfiring right now. I need to change the tune. Oh, you wanna run it again? Nah, he don't wanna run it again. For real? Ain't got enough, Papa. Ain't got enough. Man, my car making weird noises. I'll put my old tune back on. Till next time, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll get some more content like this more consistently.